Had a good night's sleep. The weather looks amazing. I'm gonna get breakfast in a little while, I hope. You never know. And I just crossed into Connecticut. Yes! Another state. Awesome. Just freaking awesome. Excited. Yes. So with Connecticut, it finally feels like I'm back in the North Woods. And got a bridge coming up. Check that out. Whoa. Wow. Yeah. Pretty cool. Alright, let's switch it around. This is a pretty amazing bridge here. Alright. Oh, wow. It's a very high guardrail. This is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Very nice. I'm inside a covered bridge. Bowles Bridge over the Houstonic River. There's windows here. But otherwise it's just blocked in. Oh, there's a picture there. I'll be back. That is a cool bridge. It's holding up traffic. Alright. Kent, Connecticut. Hey, I'm in Kent. I didn't think I was in Kent. Oh, they had another 10 miles. Oh, maybe it's Kent County. Nice, huh? It's Connecticut. So I've got like 5 miles to go, and then I got a place in town. I'm staying at Barbie's house. She's not in the app or anything. She's just like somebody that people know that she lets you stay at her house, and it's not cheap though. But this town's very expensive, so it was nice just to find a place, and I should be able to go have pizza. And oh, I'm gonna grill a steak. She said I could use her grill. So it's gonna be nice. I'm at Barbie's hostel, and check out that view. Isn't that beautiful? And her beautiful house here in Connecticut. And amazing room, and Barbie is just great. She's just a total sweetheart. She's making me dessert right now. We ate together out here. I'm the only hiker here. I got to make I grilled a nice steak there. So I finally got to have a steak. And I really have done 170 miles without a real break, so this has just been sweet. But yeah, steak was awesome. My salad was awesome. Now she's making me like a freaking awesome dessert. She picked me up, she's dropped me off. I'm in Kent, Connecticut. It's a very, I don't know, it's a very expensive area as a hiker, so it's so nice to find her place. And just an amazing place. Yeah, Barbie's Hostel. And hey, Carla and Scott Havman, you guys are awesome. They basically took care of this for me, so, and it's not cheap either. And you guys are awesome. Thank you so much. You guys have been supporting me the whole way, and just I just really appreciate it. Thank you so much. And I guess I gotta go before my dessert melts. So it's so quiet here. It's been so noisy. I mean, there's one car out there, but it's gonna quiet down. It's cooled off too. Very nice. Loving it. My cousins, Nancy and Susie, they basically bought my next pair of shoes in the memory of my Aunt Connie that we lost last February 2020. Connie was really well loved, and I grew up with her in the school lunchroom, and she was always such a just so happy and friendly and nice, and just it was great to see her every day. And she was always there at my daughter's functions, even when it was very difficult for her. She was an amazing lady. And Susie and Nancy figured that she would have, Connie would have loved to have been following along this journey. And so, well, for the next 500 miles, you're definitely going to be, Connie is going to be with me in spirit if she hasn't already. And I'm just very thankful. So oh, that's really slippery. This looks really slippery too. And here. Connecticut, it's beautiful. I do not want to get my feet wet. It sucks all day. Oh shoot. I'm not doing very well. I'm already kind of tired. It's only like 6 a.m. Isn't that beautiful? Beautiful stream. Good morning. Oh, Connecticut is kicking my ass today. I just got up. I keep hearing people behind me. I hate that. It's all, I mean, it's a beautiful trail, don't get me wrong. But as you see, it goes right up this rocky ridge. And it's going to go up over this rocky ridge. And it's going to go down another rocky ridge. It's going to go up a rocky ridge, down a rocky ridge. All day. And they're not high. You know, they're up to 400 feet, which, I mean, that's high. When it goes straight up 400 feet, that's... I really wanted to go 30 miles today because that'll put me into Massachusetts. And I thought that would be pretty cool to make it into Massachusetts today. But this kind of shit will just wear you out, you know, going up and down all day. No flats at all, and steep. It's absolutely beautiful though, like I always say. But Jesus Christ. I better get going, keep going. Just taking little breaks. Gotta see what's coming. So, those are gypsy moths, and they are decimating these woods. When you look up into the canopy, see if you can see. I don't know if you can tell, but when I look up, all the leaves are all misshapen, and they have holes in them because all the leaves have been eaten. And the leaves on the trail right now, those are not leaves from last year. These are leaves that have been eaten, chewed up, like last week probably, and they're turning brown already. But gypsy moths are just decimating the canopy right here. I mean, all along the trail, but here especially, I just noticed that it's like spring, like that. It feels like the leaves had just came out here, which I'm sure they haven't. And you can just hear the little damn turds from them falling. It's like a light rain. I don't think my camera picks it up. I think I tried this before when I was in a different area with moths, because the worms just eat and poop, and you just hear it. Click, click onto the leaves and other leaves falling. So, but phew, man, they're just destroying the trees here. It's crazy. So, I don't know. It's definitely a problem. Well, there's your view this morning. I bet it's beautiful though, if it was clear. A little dark cloud coming by. That's cool though, I love it. Connecticut, oh man, this stretch has been just beautiful with the streams and everything. Wow. Going through a valley where there's about 6 different streams and they all had dozens of little waterfalls. Absolutely beautiful. Although there's this dark cloud over everything, obviously. This is the white cloud. The dark cloud are the gypsy moths. It's incredible what they've done. They've just ruined this. These trees are going to be hurting. I would say, and look at the size of these things. They're huge. And yeah, they just eating the leaves right now. So figure 50% of the production of these trees is just dead. And then a lot of it's on the floor. I don't know, on the ground, and doing other things, plugging up the creeks and everything, it's just a mess. But they've been battling those things for years.